Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost someone else's Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to repost someone else's Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So first of all, guys, we can go to our Instagram direct message, click on this icon, and as you can see, this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can click on it. Then if you want to repost the story, we just need to click on add to your story. Okay, and before you upload the story to your Instagram, you can edit the story. You can add sticker, text, or music. It's up to you. You can customize it as you want, and you can also get the full screen by tapping on the photo like this. And once you're done, or once you're ready to repost the story, you just need to click on your story and the story will be reposted. I'm going to check it, guys. Now the story is being uploaded. Okay, as you can see, it's still loading. All right, and now it's done, and this is the Instagram story I have just reposted. All right, guys, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.